Have you ever wondered why your salary just disappears by the end of the month? You earn, you spend, and somehow there's never enough left to save. Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. The truth is, most of us are unknowingly making financial mistakes that quietly eat away at our money, and we don't even realize it. In this video, we're uncovering 13 everyday habits that are silently making you poorer. Once you spot them, you can stop them. Let's get started. Relying too much on credit cards. Credit cards feel like magic when you're low on cash, but that magic adds up fast in interest. Over time, you end up paying more than double for things. Try using cash or debit for daily expenses to avoid falling into the debt trap. Paying for subscriptions you don't use. That gym membership, streaming service, or app you forgot about? Yeah, it's charging you every single month. Take some time to review your subscriptions and cancel what you don't use. You might be surprised how much you can save. Ignoring impulse purchases. That daily coffee, snack, or quick online deal may seem small, but let's be honest, they add up fast. Cut down on these little indulgences and you'll start to notice a big difference in your bank account. Not negotiating your bills. Your phone, internet, or cable company might have better deals, but only if you ask. Don't just settle for rising prices. A simple call could save you hundreds of dollars a year. Letting food go to waste, throwing away leftovers or expired groceries, you're throwing away money too. Plan your meals and shop smart to avoid waste and unnecessary spending. Not tracking your spending. You can't fix what you can't see. Use a notebook or an app to track where your money goes. It's often the tiny leaks that sink the ship. Paying for convenience. Ordering food or choosing express shipping may save time, but it costs more, sometimes much more. Cook at home, plan your shopping, and cut back on the convenience fees. Paying late fees. Late on bills? That's money down the drain. Set up reminders or automate your payments. It's an easy win for your wallet. Chasing trends without thinking. Do you really need that trending gadget or outfit? Give yourself time before buying. Trends fade, your money shouldn't. Avoiding money conversations. Talking about money is uncomfortable, but avoiding it is worse. If you're married or have a partner, discuss finances openly. Teamwork saves money and builds trust. Ignoring your credit score. Your credit score affects your loans, interest rates, even job opportunities. Seriously, check it regularly. Managing it well can save you thousands. Using payday loans. They may seem like a quick fix, but payday loans come with brutal interest rates. Avoid them whenever possible. Adjust your budget or seek help before going down that road. Relying on future you to save. We often say, I'll start saving when I earn more, but honestly, that future never arrives unless you start now. Even small savings today grow big tomorrow. Now ask yourself, how many of these mistakes are you making? It's okay, we've all been there. But becoming aware is the first step to taking control. Start today. Make one change, then another. Because financial freedom doesn't come from earning more, it comes from spending smart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to VJ Khan Family Entertainment for more inspiring and practical life content. And if you're new here, welcome to the family where we grow, learn, and improve together one story at a time. See you in the next one.